guys, it's Kimberly, the editor of Collide. Take a look back at all the activities you guys have done over the last 12 weeks. It's pretty amazing. And right now we're at the last lesson of this quarter. So for the first activity, it's a collide with the word activity. Your kids are going to know what to do, cut out the words, and tape them in the correct order. So that's a collide with the word activity. Now, there are a lot of lies that people want us to believe about God, and on page 60 are some of those lies. So we'll have preteens read the lies that people say about God. In the second column are scriptures that prove that those lies are false. And in the third column, your preteens will write a truth that they've learned based on those scriptures. So you can divide them up into pairs or groups and then have them read that scripture and write the truth of what they've learned. So for this first one, God forgives. And on the last row, we'll have them write their own and maybe a scripture. Okay, so that's that activity. Now this next page, we're going to cut out this origami thing in the book. Some people call it a fortune teller, some people call it an origami chooser, some people call it a cootie catcher. However you call it, just cut it out. Fold it. They can use this and find some scriptures and some little phrases that can help them through a time. So if they're like jealous, they just lift that up and there's a verse there. So that's what that looks like. You can play it in class if you have time. So, and when they're done, if they want to put this in the back in their duct tape pocket, that's fine too. Now the last activity is the journaling portion of the unit, where they'll kind of review the last 4 lessons, so they can draw or write their answers. Okay. The last item says to send the Crashbook home with your preteens. Encourage them to share it with their parents. Put it on their shelf. They can pull it out and remember all of the great things they've learned over the last 12 weeks. Thanks. See you next week.